بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Hello everyone, this is the revision of midterm exam. Let's start. Okay, the first question, the changes in living things over time is, this is definition, evolution. The second one, the doctor is testing the effect of drug on high blood sugar or a high blood pressure patients. What is the independent variable? The independent variable, the one the scientist or the doctor is testing, so will be the drug or the medicine. And the dependent will be the blood pressure. Okay, so independent drug, the dependent is blood pressure. Heart muscles have different structure than arm muscles due to their what? Different function. Due to their different function, we have different structures. Which of these is not from the type of cytoskeleton? So you will choose the one is not from type of cytoskeleton, will be large filament. We don't have large filament. We have the other three choices. Okay, both have their own DNA and ribosomes. Of course, they are what? Chloroplast and mitochondria. Question 6. The cell wall of plant and algae consists of course, cellulose, which is polysaccharide. And the cell wall of bacteria consists of peptidoglycan. And the cell wall of fungi consists of chitin. Okay, so we have different cell walls of different species. Was the first to know that plants are made of cells? It is, or who is? Schleiden. Schleiden was the first to know that plants are made up of cells. Concluded that all living things are made up of cells? Schwann. Proposed that all cells come from other cells? Virtue. Which phrase best describes Earth biodiversity will be greater in constantly warm areas. So warm areas, we have great biodiversity. Okay, this is another example for independent and dependent variable. A scientist is testing the effects of fertilizer on plant growth will be, what is independent? Is fertilizer, the one the scientist testing. And what is the dependent? The plant growth, the one the scientist measures. Okay, all of these are constant except fertilizer, because the fertilizer is not constant, is what is independent. But the others, type of plant is constant, the amount of water in the plant constant, the sunlight constant. What do I mean by constant? In both groups, they are the same. Which phrase best describe Earth biodiversity? This is another question by other choices. So greater toward Earth equator. So we have greater toward Earth equator and we have warm areas. Okay, which phrase is incorrect about biodiversity? So the first one is incorrect because it's not called areas. We have what? Warm areas. So the first one is incorrect. The rest are correct. Okay, the individual or an individual living thing called organisms. An individual, one living thing called organism. Which statement best explains why the shape of teeth differs according to the diet of a species? It will be because of function and structure related in biology, because different structure due to different function. Which word best describe a scientific hypothesis? Of course, it is testable. So hypothesis must be testable. Which of the following is an important characteristic of a scientific theory? It is what? The theory must be supported by much evidence or a wide range of evidence. D. Let's come true or false. The nucleus is the storehouse of most of genetic information. What's the answer? Will be true. So T. The data show no effect or an effect so small that have happened by chance called non-significant. Yes, it is also true. A theory is proposed answer for a scientific question and it's testable? No, it is hypothesis. So it is what? False. Asian civilization practice mummification of famous peoples? No, it's false. It's what? Egyptian civilization. Okay. The first classification system of living organisms is attributed to the Greek Hippocrates, physician Hippocrates, false. The basic unit of life is cell. Yes, it's true. The conditions outside the body are always the same, but the conditions inside are always or generally very changing. No, of course, it is vice versa. Outside is changeable and inside is constant and the same. So it is false. Asian civilization used herbal medicine. Yes, this is true. So here we have their name. This is RE, and this is Golgi apparatus, and this is nucleus, and this is mitochondria. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.